Well, thank you for joining me on this question. We're looking at complex numbers. We're looking at question 4. And this says, use the fact that quadratic ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, then the quadratic formula to determine the exact solutions of the following quadratic equations, giving your answer in the form d plus ei, where d and e are real numbers. I is the square root of negative 1. So we're looking at this formula x equals, and it said negative b plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And we'll do it firstly for a. We've got 1x squared minus 3x plus 3 equals 0. Notice I added the 1. That wasn't in the question. However, it's important to know that the a value is 1, the b value is negative 3. So the b value is negative 3. And the c value is 3. So in the quadratic formula, it has to equal 0 to use the quadratic formula. Therefore, x equals negative b, so that's positive 3, plus and minus the square root of b squared, which is negative 3 squared, which is 9, minus 4 times a times c, all over 2a, which is 2 times 1. So we've got 3 plus and minus. Now 9 minus 12. 9 minus 12. And we've got a negative 3 there. So it is 3 plus and minus negative 3 over 2. Because we get a negative, therefore, we've got complex solutions. No real solutions. So we split this up into, we can change 3 plus and minus. We could change that to root 3 times root negative 1 all over 2. So it's 3 plus and minus, and we leave that as root 3. We change negative 1 into I, and we want both of these over 2 so that we can split it up into the way that they wanted, and they wanted it to be d plus ei, which is in the form d plus ei. By the way, they didn't ask for d. D is 3 over 2, and e is plus and minus. There's two e values, root 3 over 2. And I, as we know, is square root of negative 1. All right, so this is part A. I think that will do for 1. I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.